Lemon with garlic mixture, the most powerful mix for cleaning any heart blockages. Lemon and garlic are commonly used as a seasoning for salads or meat. Nevertheless, people are not aware of the positive effects that these two ingredients offer to their health and body when combined together. Lemon and garlic combined together are used for lowering the level of cholesterol in the blood, for cleaning clogged arteries, and for improving circulation. High level of cholesterol means that LDL cholesterol has been accumulated in the main arteries, which leads to possible heart attack or other heart diseases. The pharmaceutical industries offer a wide range of products which can help in the fight against these diseases, but why would one struggle for artificial remedies when there are natural and very efficient solutions? Namely, if you add garlic and lemon into your everyday diet, you will provide better circulation and healthier cardiovascular system to your body. The ideal cocktail for unclogging your heart arteries. There are two ways of consuming and preparing the garlic and lemon solution. Formula number 1. Needed ingredients: 1 cup of garlic juice, 1 cup of fresh lemon juice, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of ginger juice. How to prepare it? Pour all the ingredients in a pot and put them to boil for about 30 minutes. When done, let the mixture cool down and add 3 cups of organic honey. Stir until everything is properly combined. Store the solution in a glass jar and keep in the fridge. Dosage: consume 1 tablespoon of the solution every day before breakfast. Formula number 2. Needed ingredients: 6 lemons, 30 garlic cloves. How to prepare it? Peel the lemons and the garlic and cut them into pieces. Put them in a blender and blend with some water. After that, pour the solution into a pot, add 2 liters of water and let it boil. Stir well until it starts boiling, and afterwards, cook it gently for 5 minutes more. At the end, store the solution in a glass jar and keep it in the refrigerator. Dosage: consume the solution for 3 weeks. Make a pause of 1 week and continue with 3 weeks more, 6 weeks in total. Take 50 milliliters of it every day. This remedy can be consumed 2 times a year, in every half of the year.